Welcome to another episode of Terry's Notes, and I am doing over January 2016 question 1 part C. Alright, now I call this the 5-year conundrum because somehow many students cannot get the answers being 5 years. Okay, so let me explain this again. So Thomas invested $1,498, and the simple interest is 6% per annum. So that is 6% per year. And they tell you that the investment earns $449.40. So let's start off. The simple interest formula is given by principal. Interest is equal to principal by rate by time over 100. Right? Now, the question asks us how long will it take the investment to earn $449.40. So therefore, they have given us the interest. This is the interest. Right? Because how much does it earn? That is interest. So the question asks us how long, so we want to find time. Right? Cross multiply, we end up with principal by rate by time is equal to 100 times I. Therefore, time will be equal to 100 multiplied by I divided by principal by rate. Now, some students they just learn off the formula to find the time, right? Which is 100 by I over P by R. Or you can just remember the simple interest formula. Okay, so all we need to do now is substitute into the formula. So time is equal to 100 multiplied by the interest, which is $449.40, divided by principal by rate. The principal is how much we invested at the start. We invested $14.98, so it's 1498 multiplied by the rate. The rate in this case is the simple interest, which is, once they give you it as a percentage, we're going to write 6. Right? Now, this is where I think students are getting the problem. Alright, so you see this part on top here? This is called the numerator. So what I'm telling students to do is to work out the numerator first. Alright? So 100 multiplied by 449.40 will give me 44940. Right? You can use your calculator to work out that. And we're going to divide that by, this is the denominator. So this is our denominator. Right? So 1498 multiplied by 6 will give me 1498 multiplied by 6. I'm going to get 8988. Right? So now with my calculator now I'm going to take 44940 divided by 8988, and that gives me 5. Right? So for all the students out there who want to know how did I get 5 years, this is how I got 5 years. Okay?